To use live shipping rates from Stamps.com, simply come over to Manage Live Shipping Carriers, select Stamps.com, and edit the carrier settings. From here, we can put in our username and then our password. It's a good idea to always test the settings before clicking Save. Now that we have connected Stamps.com, we can choose our methods. So we'll come here to choose Methods, and we can choose the different USPS shipping methods for both domestic and international. Once we have selected our different methods, we'll click Save, and they will be added to the general list of shipping methods. Keep in mind that the order of the shipping methods is the way that they're going to be displayed on the website. So if you want first class mail to come first before Ground Advantage, just make sure it's listed above. It's really that simple to connect Stamps.com shipping methods for live USPS rates.